Hello students, I am Dr. Kalpit Ganesh Mhatre, Assistant Professor in Botany at Arts, Commerce and Science College, Lanza, District Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Today, I will speak about the process of phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation. This topic comes under Unit Environmental Botany of Botany Paper 3 for Semester 5. Let's continue with today's topic phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation. First of all, we will see what is phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation. Phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation mainly concerns with the removal of heavy metals from the soil by means of a plant uptake. So what is phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation? It is the process of removal of heavy metals which are present in the soil by means of a plant uptake. For example, consider that there is a wasteland or a plot which is highly polluted with presence of hazardous chemicals or heavy metals. So if one wants to remove those metals or if one wants to neutralize the concentration of pollutants, we can go for phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation. Because whenever we will do plantation on that wasteland or highly polluted land, phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation will takes place, and that will result in removal of heavy metals from the soil by means of a plant uptake. In this diagram, I will explain you the process of phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation in details. In this picture, you can see that there is a plant. Part of the plant is below the ground, which is called as root, and rest is above the ground, which is called as shoot. So whenever we plant a particular plant species in a polluted land or wasteland, roots will grow inside the soil. They will take water or water will get mixed with soil, minerals, nutritions present in soil will mix with water, and along with this water, whatever the heavy metals, pollutants, contaminants which are present in the soil will mix with water and will enter in the plant with the help of root hairs, because roots are responsible for absorption of water from soil. Along with water, minerals, vitamins, contaminants, heavy metals, whatever the pollutants are present in soil will enter inside the plant along with water. After entering with the help of root, the heavy metals or pollutants will be transferred to different plant parts, and this process of uptake of heavy metals or contaminants is called as phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation. Root play an important role in phytoextraction. If we want to have phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation, the most important plant part is root, and hence it is called as root play an important role in phytoextraction. Why? Because this root absorption or root uptake is based on the capacity of the roots of plants to absorb, translocate, and concentrate toxic metals from soil to the plant tissues. As said earlier, whatever the vitamins, minerals, nutrients, heavy metals, pollutants, contaminants, whatever is present in the soil will get mixed with water, and that water is absorbed by the roots. Hence, root plays an important role in the process of phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation. Results of phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation. Phytoextraction results in accumulation of heavy metals in plant tissues, and this is achieved with the help of water absorption. Roots will absorb water, and along with that whatever heavy metals pollutants come inside the plants will get stored in different plant tissues. Thus, phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation reduces the concentration of heavy metals from aluminum silicate matrix, we can call soil, to carbon based matrix called as plants. So phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation will result in reduction of contaminants from soil, and those contaminants will be transferred inside the plants and will be stored in different plant tissues. How metals accumulated inside plants tissues, or how metals are accumulated inside plant tissues. In this, we will see five aspects of metal accumulation. First of all, metal need to dissolve in water. Whatever the metals are present in soil, those metals should need to dissolve in water. If they dissolve in water, then and then only they can enter inside the plant with the help of water. So, first criteria is metal need to dissolve in water. Second criteria, plant root absorbs heavy metals. So, whatever the heavy metals dissolved in water, the plant root should have capacity to absorb those heavy metals. Third one is plants makes the metal more motile. Whenever the heavy metals are absorbed by roots and transferred from root to shoot, plant makes the metal more motile. 4. Transport of metals to storage site, that is to different tissues. Phytoextraction or phytoaccumulation absorbs heavy metals, pollutants or contaminants from soil along with water and translocate them in different plant parts such as stem, leaf, inflorescence, flowers, fruits, twigs, branches, etc. So, whenever transport of metal is happening inside plant, the concentration of metal is stored in different plant tissues. And fifth one is adaptation of plant to any damage caused by metals. In general, so many chemical reactions are going daily or day basis or night basis on plant. Reactions such as photosynthesis, respiration, and water absorption, transport of water, solvent, solute. So many reactions are happening inside the plant or happening inside plant tissues. Whenever heavy metals, pollutants, or contaminants are absorbed by plant, those are stored in different plant tissues. So there is a chance that the heavy metal will affect different types of chemical reactions happening inside a plant. So, plant should adapt themselves if any damage has been caused by the heavy metals. So, these are the 5 points which can be help to explain how metals are accumulated inside plant tissues. And this process of accumulation of heavy metals, contaminants or pollutants from soil inside different plant tissues is termed as phytoaccumulation or phytoextraction.